how you doing? My name is Shantae and I'll be doing your weight today. Could you please verify your name and your date of birth, please?
Caitlin, 1217.
All right, Miss Caitlin, thank you for that. Can I please have your caller? All right, like I was explaining, I'll be doing your weight, and in the count of 3, I need you to lift. 1, 2, 3, and sit up on the side of the bed for me. All right, can you sit up to make sure your foot is planted? Thank you. All right, we're going to be putting your shoes on today. Thank you. Thank you. Do this. Thank you. All right, in the count of 3, we're going to lift. I mean, stand up. 1, 2, 3. Thank you. Let me get. Can you step right here? Stop right here for me, please. All right, just stand up for me. Make sure you go. Thank you. Thank you. You take a step back. Turn around for me and follow me. All right, can you sit down? Make sure your legs is touching the back of the bed. Thank you. Would you like to continue to sit up or would you like to sit down?
Yes, please.
All right, thank you. Here's your call light. Let me double check to make sure your bed is locked. All right, thank you. And I'll be back in 2 hours, okay?
Yes, ma'am.
Wash my hands. My hands. You come down and you write 127 PS.